The Roninby 99913 Humidifier Vapor Pad offers a snug fit for a wide range of GeneralAire and compatible furnace humidifier models, which makes it a convenient choice for whole home systems. Its multi-layer mesh construction with a clay-coated aluminum foil layer is clearly designed to soak up and hold water efficiently, helping the humidifier maintain steady moisture output. The pad does a commendable job of trapping hardness minerals, so you are far less likely to see that annoying white dust settling on furniture and electronics. In day-to-day use, the filter slides in and out easily, so routine maintenance feels quick rather than like a weekend project. The pack includes 3 pads, which means you can stay ahead of seasonal replacements and keep your humidifier running at its best for an extended period. Overall, this vapor pad is a solid upgrade over flimsy generic options, delivering reliable performance and cleaner indoor air with minimal hassle.